Hello, welcome to the vlog series. Before the video begins, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notifications as to when a new video will be posted onto this channel. Enjoy! How's it going, everybody? Sean Allen here. Another day, another vlog. So for this Gardening Wednesday video, it's going to be kind of a collection of videos all meshed into one video because it was a process, because we did some things one day and other things another day. So it's kind of all meshed together to look like we were all doing it at the same time and not the same day. It's basically me and my dad taking out a couple of trees, planting new ones, having fun with it, and then showing you the process. And at the end of the video, we'll show you how it looks right now on the patio. Enjoy the video. See, we have a couple of trees here that are on the dead side right now. So the plan is to take these two out and replace them with different trees. As you can see, I just got started with this one here. We're going to be taking both of these boxes out, replacing them with new planters. We're also going to be removing all those leaves back there. We're also going to have like blue flowers right behind the wall here, actually in front of the wall, so that way we have a little bit of color for the new trees. And these trees over here, we're not going to remove those. These are going to be the new planters we're going to be putting the trees in. They'll be a lot nicer looking. And we got these, I think, like several weeks back, so these are somewhat new. We're going to put the trees, one of them in each of those, put them over there where the dead ones are. I'll be helping Dad out in just a moment, but first off, I'm going to get this ivy trimmed right about to where the bricks are, a good few inches off. What is that? Hot!
Good job.
So, update on what's been going on. So we left the house for a few hours because we were trying to figure out if we wanted to put privets back here or a different type of tree. This is like a part one to our little excursion over here. So we're taking these trees out for sure. Yep. Woo, look at that root. That went into the ground all right. we cleared it. Okay. That's a big root. That root is going to be away. Ooh, big earthworm! Woo! Where'd he go? Ah! Oh, that's a big one. Look at the size of that one. The carnage. Take a look at this. Goes all the way out. I had to drag both of those all the way out to the back. It's like a trail of blood. It goes on and on and on. The trail ends right here. Holy moly. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it's now been a few days since we have removed those dead trees from the patio area. And now it's time to plant the new trees into these pots here. Now, those are not the trees, those are actually vines. But we have a couple things to deal with before we plant those trees. We gotta pull out this hibiscus here, and then after that, clear out the dead leaves and stuff on the back. And then it's time to get to planting. Oh, and very quickly, I was just in our garden, I pulled out a couple of nice, good-looking carrots right there. Those are beauties, right? Size of that one. Holy mackerel. Ah, there we go. That's what your route. Gonna do a little paleontology. Goodness, I've never seen this one before. It's a nice smooth one. Yep, there we go. Oh, whoa! Another big one. Gotcha. And there is the end result. Look at that. We have our 2 planters right there. Actually, 3 planters. And we have our trees planted. These are privets, much like the ones in the back. So, yeah, looks great. Look at that. Actually looks pretty good. I was kind of skeptical at first about these being here, but it looks like they'll be good over here. They do have some coverage over here, but it looks like we will be able to keep them over here. It looks like we may need to trim this part of the tree here because it's dead. But, yeah, looks like it's going to do pretty well over here. Like I said, I was skeptical at first when we planted those trees because I just felt like they were too skinny, but it looks okay. I still have my doubts, but we'll see how it goes. On that note, thank you so much for watching, guys. In scene, as I say in Hollywood, still not in Hollywood, I'm at home, in the backyard. That, my friends, is a wrap. See you next time. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, be sure to hit the thumbs up button. Also, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notifications as to when a new video will be posted onto this channel. To see more, check out my other channels, the Educational Series, the Design Video Series, and the Travel Town Series. To stay connected, be sure to follow me on Instagram. Once again, thanks for watching.